What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-Second Cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, when I think of the summertime, there's few things I love more than sitting out in the sun, listening to the baseball game, throwing on my shades, and having myself a nice cold glass of lemonade. But not just any lemonade. I'm talking about New York lemonade. Now, there's no clear history about this cocktail, but what I can tell you, it's kind of a love child between Tom Collins and a lemon drop martini. And always it good and always it refreshing. So we're gonna make one today. So make sure you guys stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right guys, so let's look at what's in the sauce. The first thing we're gonna need is 2 ounces of citron vodka. The next thing you're gonna want is 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. Follow that up with 2 ounces of lemon juice. Now we're gonna do some simple syrup. Now this could deviate a little bit. It's usually 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce. So I'm gonna split the difference and go with 3/4 ounce. And just for a little extra something, I'm gonna add 2 dashes of orange bitters. Add some ice to our shaker. And we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Next, we're gonna get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a stemmed highball. Then we're gonna top that off with some club soda. Garnish that with a little dehydrated lime wheel. And there we have it, folks, a New York lemonade. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. I already know I enjoy it, but you know, why not share it with the audience, right? Here we go. That is so delicious. I mean, the citrus from the lemon is just so good, but you get those orange notes as well from the Grand Marnier. A little bit of the bitters adds a little bit of spice in the back end. I mean, the club soda just adds so much refreshing components to it. This stuff is, oh my God, this is so good. If you like a Tom Collins, if you like a lemon drop martini, if you like lemonade, you're gonna love this cocktail. It's easy, it's refreshing, and it just gets the job done. Listen, not every cocktail has to be sophisticated or fancy or complicated. Sometimes you want something nice and easy, because the summertime, what do they say? Something to something, I forget that. And living is easy, right? Summertime and the living is easy. Anyway, folks, so sometimes you just need a nice, simple cocktail. And this is it, a New York lemonade. Hope you guys make it. It's great for barbecues, great for just hanging out on the patio, on the deck, whatever you want to do, all right, folks? Anyway, look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, you know, we know what you gotta do here, right? You know the rest. Cheers.